Ekiti has chosen Ekiti, and particularly this festive period, for this mountain climbing exercise. And I'm impressed that this meet attracts quite a number of interest groups across the globe. I'm also happy that the assembly is not limited to just young ones, and it's also not gender biased. I think I must congratulate you for this initiative. I also want to commend you that this kind of exercise is a welcome initiative. And Ekiti State Government has invested a lot in ecotourism, and we are prepared to invest more. And I'm sure most of you will be invited as co-stakeholders in this new venture. As you go out this morning to hike the Ekiti Mountain, Ekiti is blessed with hills and mountains. I learned some of you here have also gone on Mount Kilimanjaro, and some are from Dubai. I think this should be encouraged. I want to plead with you that as you go on this mountain, that you please be your brother's keepers. Some are professionals, some are trying for the very first time. To the very first timers, I advise you to be careful and be cautious. And to those of you who are professionals, I'm sure your skill will be a sight to behold. And I want to advocate that you should not limit this assignment to a one-off program. A lot of our youths there are interested in this kind of exercise, but there are nobody to motivate them. What you are starting today, I want to assure you, will go down in history as one of the foremost initiatives to improve the life of our people, to improve the health care of our people, to contribute, to improve even the financial IDR base of this state. And be assured, maybe when next we are organizing this thing, it will be more people will be there, more patronages, and more support from both government and private sectors. There are more other places with hills in Ekiti, but government will be interested in your experience from today's exploration. Once again, on behalf of the government of Ekiti State, I congratulate you all for this very wonderful and memorable initiative. And I assure you that government is interested in this venture.
Join the EKITI project for benefit. One, so that a lot of people can come to Ekiti State and come and hike. When they hike, they will stay in the hotel, they will buy food, they will buy petrol, they will do a lot of things. Some of them will come and invest here, because here you can, there are many things you can do. There are many things you can do on this area now. There are many education centers you can provide. It will provide job, provide employment, and tourism has its own shame. When a tourist when a tourist lands here, that's money. If you seek a place to sleep, if you buy food, if you buy a lot of things, if you buy drugs, if you buy fuel, if you talk to women, if you do a lot of things, of course. But you see, people, I don't understand what you say. Night industry, Britain generates over $3.5 billion pounds from night industries. What are the night industry clubs? Hotels. When you go to Amsterdam, you see them in the cubicle. I've been there severally, and I've participated in all those things. So it's something.
So with your wealth of experience, in the tourism industry, and as a DG tourism.
No, I'm the DG arts and culture. Culture, all those culture. Tourism is just a phrase.
Okay.
It's a phrase.
Yeah.
The art of tourism is you moving from one place to another. What do you move from one place to another to do? To see what we have, and these are all what we have. That is tourism. So I want you to protect all this, to enhance it, you understand, to develop it and project it to do well.
So on the final note, what should Ekiti people be looking for in the next 2 or 3 or 4 years?
4 years. 4 years. The governor of Kayode Fayemi will be turning Ekiti to be the best desired tourism destination in terms of culture, value, art, artifacts. You won't see it. It's going to be the best. And because Ekiti is positioned to be the best, one, you are the middle of Abuja. So when you are coming to Abuja, we want you to come and spend your money here. Of course, you have to stop over. You are going to do a lot of things. Right from Efon Junction, you will be feeling Ekiti tourism. You know, not the real. Right of Efon Junction, when you are coming from Jebujisha, when you are coming from Efon, there is a place there. You see what Governor Kayode Fayemi is going to do. Every person that passes through this would like to stop here and have a feel of Ekiti tourism. God bless you.
You see, this program, like I said earlier, is bigger than the dreamer. The person who initiated it is bigger than every one of us.
Nice to meet you.
Deputy Chief of Staff, and now.